Now, before we start changing the content on this page, it really helps to first understand how the website and pages are structured. Over here on the right, you'll see the Structure Panel. And if you don't see this, you can open or close it at any time by pressing on this icon here at the top. Within your Structure Panel, you'll see different containers listed. You can think of these like big sections on your website. If I click on this arrow here to expand and open up this container, you'll see another container that's inside of it. These inner containers are like columns within that big section. So I'll go ahead and open up this inner container here, and then you'll see the different elements that are inside of it. Here we have a heading, a second heading, a text editor, and a button. And if you look back at the page on the left, you can see those exact same elements. You have your first heading, your second heading, your text editor, and your button. Now, if we go back to the Structure Panel here, I can click on an element if I want to edit it. I can also click on this eyeball button here to disable it, and click on it again to enable it. I can also right-click on an element and go down and click on delete if I want to get rid of it. And you can also reorder the elements on your page simply by dragging them and then moving them underneath or on top of a different element. I'll go ahead and move this heading back to the top.